Now we are going to discuss about the artificial method of birth control, out of which the first method is barrier method. As the name indicate, barrier means to produce an obstacle in between the path of sperm and ova, so that no mating of sperm will take place from ovum. When there is no mating of sperm or ova will take place, no process of fertilization and result which leads to the pregnancy will not occur in female organism. So in case of barrier method, we are going to use male condoms, and these condoms they remains available everywhere. These condoms they are made up of thin rubber or latex sheet, which is used to cover the penis in the male or vagina and cervix in female. It prevents the deposition of ejaculation semen into the vagina of female. It means whatever the genetic material that is released by the male organism, that remains inside this covering of latex or rubber. In this way, the male condoms they are used, and only this one is the method which is also going to prevent the organism from sexually transmitted disease, but it is also going to produce certain adverse effect. It may reduce sensitivity and spontaneity during intercourse, and it may cause skin irritation within the organism. On the other hand, female condoms they are also used is in the form of diaphragm, cervical cap and valves. These are the barriers made of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They prevent the entry of sperm through cervix, and they are reusable. The disadvantage of these female condom is some women do not feel comfortable with this method. Second, they can be expensive, or you can say they are costly, like diaphragm, like other method that is spermicides. As the name indicates, spermicides means those forms, jellies, vaginal films and suppositories which is used to kill the sperms. So when semen along with sperms enter into the genital tract of female just before intercourse, these spermicides they are kept within the vagina. Whenever sperms came in contact of these forms and gels which can be used, these jellies forms contains those chemicals which is used to kill these sperms. These spermicides they are going to produce certain disadvantage, may cause skin irritation which can increase risk of STIs, and they can be messy in their nature. The another method that is considered as the hormonal method only for women, and in this method they required a doctor prescription. With the help of doctor prescription, specific type of hormonal methods they are going to be implemented within the female organ.